Hello, my name is Andrew Sweeney, teacher at Blanca Paloma School in Lathubia, and I'm here to talk to you today about Google+. What is Google+? Well, as you can see on the screen, Google+ is an application that encompasses your profile, people connections, your photos, collections of videos and other media that you have stored online, community contacts through your email addresses, which you will need to open your Google+ account in the first place, events, hangouts, pages. These are the different features within Google+. What can a student learn by using this tool? A student can learn how to use soft and hard skills, how to properly create an online presence according to need and occasion, formal and informal contexts, a personalized online private presence, or a public professional online presence, or both. And that can be done quite simply. Here's an example. By clicking into profile, and then we have edit profile, and as you can see, this one has been created recently. So you can see a picture of myself, a picture, edit profile, and in here we have the opportunity to market ourselves a little bit. You can decide who has access to the material store online, and you can click into create communities, so on and so forth, and you have the option of creating networks of contacts according to your needs. It can be connected to other platforms such as LinkedIn. Students can learn how to control and use their online media and to be in a position to buy or sell products or services, to make themselves known and available to employers or to find employees. Keeping in mind that a high percentage of job possibilities comes through a healthy professional network, Google+ offers a tool from which you can organize and cultivate that network. What is the impact of this tool? This platform has modernized how we organize our data, and it allows us as users to be more flexible on the go. Google+ is ideal for the mobile professional who needs to have all their different social media networks and agendas in one place, and allows for ease of communication. What is your personal experience with this tool? Well, my personal experience with this tool, I find it very useful in the sense that I use it for personal purposes. However, when it comes to organizing my social networks and my professional networks, I personally prefer to use each networking site on an individual basis. I use many of Google's applications, and I can honestly say that they are very well designed, and if used correctly can add an important and useful tool to your professional armory. Thank you.